In today's competitive business landscape, operational efficiency is paramount. It's not enough to simply offer a great product or service. Businesses must deliver value cost-effectively and timely. The four Ms of operational success are manpower, methods, machines, and materials. These elements form the foundation of any successful operation. Like a symphony, the four Ms must work in harmony. When in sync, they produce a symphony of productivity and success. People are the heart of any organization. No matter how advanced your technology or efficient your processes, it's ultimately the skills and dedication of your workforce that drive success. Manpower encompasses all aspects of human capital, including recruitment, training, motivation, and retention. Attracting and retaining top talent is crucial. Businesses must invest in comprehensive training programs to equip their employees with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in their roles. A well-trained workforce is more productive, adaptable to change, and better equipped to handle complex tasks. Motivation is another key aspect of manpower management. Employees who feel valued and appreciated are more likely to be engaged and productive. Recognizing achievements, providing opportunities for growth, and fostering a positive work environment are essential for maintaining a motivated workforce. Safety and compliance are also paramount. Creating a safe and healthy work environment is not only ethical, but also essential for productivity. Accidents and injuries can disrupt operations, leading to delays and increased costs. Therefore, businesses must prioritize safety protocols and ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. Methods refer to the processes and procedures that govern how work is performed. This includes production workflows and quality control measures. Well-defined methods ensure consistency, reduce errors, and maximize efficiency. Streamlining processes and eliminating bottlenecks enhance operational efficiency. This may involve automating tasks or adopting new technologies. SOPs ensure consistency and quality with clear step-by-step instructions. Continuous improvement is key in optimizing methods. Machines are the physical assets in production. This includes manufacturing equipment, vehicles, computers, and software. Their efficiency impacts a business's production. Regular maintenance ensures longevity and reliability. Preventive maintenance prevents breakdowns and extends lifespan. Timely repairs minimize downtime. Technology upgrades enhance machine capabilities. Investing in automation, robotics, and data analytics improves efficiency and quality. Assess costs and benefits for a positive return on investment. Section 5. Materials, the building blocks of success. Materials encompass all the raw inputs required for production, including raw materials, components, and supplies. The quality, availability, and cost of materials directly impact the quality, cost, and timeliness of production. Sourcing high-quality materials is essential for producing high-quality products. Businesses should carefully vet suppliers to ensure they meet quality standards and can deliver materials consistently and reliably. Building strong relationships with suppliers can also lead to better pricing, preferential treatment, and access to new materials and technologies. Supply chain management plays a crucial role in ensuring the timely and efficient flow of materials. Businesses must carefully manage inventory levels to avoid stockouts and minimize waste. Implementing just-in-time or JIT inventory systems can help reduce storage costs and ensure that materials are available when needed. Cost management is another critical aspect of materials management. Businesses should strive to negotiate favorable pricing with suppliers, explore alternative materials, and optimize their production processes to minimize material waste. Implementing effective inventory control measures can also help reduce storage and obsolescence costs. Section 6. The power of synergy. Integrating the four Ms. The four Ms are not isolated elements, but rather interconnected components of a holistic system. To achieve true operational efficiency, businesses must strive to create synergy between these elements. When the four Ms work in harmony, they amplify each other's strengths and create a powerful engine for success. For example, investing in employee training, manpower, can lead to more effective utilization of machines, machines, and reduced material waste materials. Implementing efficient processes, methods, can optimize the use of manpower, machines, and materials, leading to increased productivity and reduced costs. Conversely, neglecting any one of the four Ms can have a ripple effect throughout the entire operation. For instance, inadequate training can lead to machine downtime, material waste, and quality issues. Similarly, using substandard materials can compromise product quality, leading to customer dissatisfaction and increased costs. The key takeaway is that the four Ms are interdependent and must be managed in a holistic and integrated manner. By optimizing each element and fostering synergy between them, businesses can achieve a level of operational efficiency that drives sustainable growth and competitive advantage. Section 7. Case Studies, Real-World Applications of the 4MS. Let's examine some real-world examples of the 4MS in action. Toyota exemplifies the 4MS with its lean manufacturing system. They invest in employee training or manpower and empower workers to improve processes or methods. Their efficient production system or machines and focus on minimizing waste or materials make them a leader in automotive manufacturing. Amazon leverages technology and automation or machines to optimize its distribution network. Their data analytics or methods manage inventory effectively or materials, ensuring fast and efficient delivery. Starbucks prioritizes employee training or manpower and standardized procedures or methods with high-quality beans or materials and efficient brewing equipment or machines, making them a leader in the coffee industry. These examples show the power of the 4MS when applied effectively. Focusing on each element fosters remarkable operational efficiency. Section 8. The need for continuous improvement. Achieving operational efficiency is not a one-time goal, but rather an ongoing journey of continuous improvement. The business environment is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging, customer expectations shifting, and competitive pressures intensifying. To stay ahead of the curve, businesses must embrace a mindset of continuous improvement. This involves regularly reviewing and refining their operations, seeking out new technologies and best practices, and fostering a culture of innovation and learning. Businesses should encourage employees at all levels to contribute ideas for improvement and empower them to implement those ideas. Data analytics plays a crucial role in continuous improvement. By collecting and analyzing data on their operations, businesses can identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. This data-driven approach enables businesses to make informed decisions about resource allocation, process optimization, and technology investments. Section 9. Embracing technology for operational excellence. Technology is a powerful enabler of operational efficiency. From automation and robotics to data analytics and artificial intelligence, a wide range of technologies can help businesses optimize their operations and gain a competitive edge. Automation can streamline repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and free up human workers to focus on more complex and value-added activities. Robotics can enhance efficiency, precision, and safety in manufacturing and logistics operations. Data analytics can provide valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance, enabling businesses to make more informed decisions. However, it's important to note that technology is a tool, not a solution in itself. Businesses must carefully consider their specific needs and challenges before investing in new technologies. It's also crucial to have a clear implementation plan and to provide adequate training to employees to ensure that they can effectively utilize the new technologies. Section 10. Conclusion. The 4MS, a holistic approach to success. The 4MS of operational success, manpower, methods, machines, and materials, provide a comprehensive framework for achieving operational excellence. By understanding the importance of each element and their interconnectedness, businesses can optimize their operations, reduce costs, improve quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. However, it's essential to remember that the 4MS are not static elements, but rather dynamic components of a constantly evolving system. Businesses must embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, regularly reviewing and refining their operations to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing the 4MS as a holistic approach to operational success, businesses can unlock their full potential, achieve sustainable growth, and thrive in today's competitive marketplace.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.